Hey there, how's it going everybody? Welcome back, Plant Abundance here. I need to make a quick video to apologize to you guys. I unintentionally misled you with the video that I had posted earlier today. And if you haven't seen that video, there's still something to be gained from this video here because there's some information that was shared to me by a YouTube subscriber. So shout out to a Trippa for the information, the comment that she gave me in regards to using the Mycos, which is mycelium inoculant, on brassicas. Apparently, there is no symbiotic bonding with brassicas and mycelium. This is something I didn't know, and if you'd seen that video, then you saw me using this Mycos product, which is an expensive product, trying to create extension roots basically for the plants that I was transplanting, and it's just not the case with the Brassica oleracea. So things like kale, cabbage, broccoli, these type of plants are not going to actually have that bond with the mycelium. So I learned something new today, and this is one of the great things about having a YouTube channel and sharing, is that sometimes you get corrected. And I do my best to try to research any information that I'm not fully familiar with before I put that out on the internet. It's really important to me that the information that I share is legit, and I just hate to mislead anybody. So I had to make this video for anyone who saw that. So after being informed of my mistake, I got online, did some research, and was able to determine that yes, in fact, the information that was provided was true. Brassica oleraceas do not symbiotically bond with the mycelium, so I stand corrected. So that Mycos that I'd used is not going to hurt the brassica plants in any way. In fact, it might actually still bond to some of the roots of the other plants growing in the area. But with that being said, you definitely don't want to be using product, especially more expensive products, when it's completely unnecessary. So you live and you learn. Sometimes it's just how it goes. And you know, I really don't want to delete that other video. There was a lot of good information there. I really liked how it turned out. So what I'm going to try to do is create an annotation using what's known as a YouTube card. So that'll pop up when I get to that section of the video. And then anyone who watches it in the future can be led to this video and it can be corrected. I'm also going to include a written explanation in the description box below that video. So between that and the annotation, hopefully nobody else would be misled. So once again, I'm really sorry about this, guys. Thank you for sticking by me, and I really do appreciate you guys tuning into the channel and following along my journey. If anything, I hope you learned something as I did today. And with that, I hope you all have a great evening. I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.